To organize and categorize better, you could use multi-page. Note that we have also tab strip, which is similar to multi-page, but it has some difference. Allow me to show you quickly. If I click and drag to make a multi-page and one more for tab script, on the multi-page, if I add a label or button or anything and click on page 2, as you see, this does not exist on second page, which the regular one it is like that. But about the tab strip, actually the classes or controls are shared. If I click and make something like label here too and click on tab 2, still we have exist a label too. You might get confused, and this topic it is not gonna cover this one, but by coding actually you could use that beneficial for static elements but different codes or appearance. So I remove that and allow me to remove everything actually to do that again. We're using multi-page. I click and drag. I could add any elements I want, like button, like text box, and label, etc. And I could go to page 2 and add another items. Let's say another button here just to check. Page 2, page 1. And if I right click on this tab, we have new page, which it is a new tab. I could delete page or tab actually. I could rename it, or I could move to change the order. As an example, I could change the order, move up, okay, and now the order has been changed. To recognize which tab it is selected, which actually it is much more useful, especially when you're using tab strip. If I double click on the tab and on the change, I say multi-page 1 dot selected item dot we have a name. By using this code for both multi-page or also for tab strip, we could understand or recognize which item actually is selected. I say message box just to show you and use that one. You will see each name of selected, for example, page 2 and page 1. So if you need to recognize which tab it is selected, simply use the control name, which in this case it is multi-page 1 dot selected item dot name. For example, you could say if multi-page selected item was page 2, then do something.